This video teaches you through how to get out of Slide Master and return to your regular slide editing view. Accessing Slide Master view for customization, click the View tab and select Slide Master. Now you can add a new master slide, manipulate layouts, and apply themes. By selecting a Slide Master and clicking the Preserve button on the Slide Master tab, a virtual pin is placed next to the master, signaling PowerPoint to keep it intact. When it's time to declutter the presentation, deleting unwanted slide masters and layouts is straightforward, but should be done cautiously. Simply right-click on the slide master or layout thumbnail and select Delete Master or Delete Layout, respectively. Once you've made all the necessary customizations and satisfied with the design, click Close Master View on the Slide Master tab. This action will take you back to the normal view, allowing you to see the slides with all the changes applied. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.